Hi students, good morning everyone. Today let us see exercise 4.1. It is first question. Check whether the which triangles are similar and find the values of x. Now let me take the first question, and here a diagram is given. This is the triangle ABC. While drawing, you watch it carefully. And another triangle is AED. This is the triangle it is given. Here the measurement AD is 3, DB is 5, and AE is 2, EC is 3, 1 by 2. So which can be written as 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. So this can be written as 7 by 2. இங்கே எழுதி வச்சுக்கோங்க. Now I want to check whether these are similar triangles or not. Have you seen two triangles? Draw பண்ணும்போதே காமிச்சேன். ABC ஒரு triangle, AED ஒரு triangle. So solution in triangle ABC and triangle AED. Say take these two triangles are similar, therefore their corresponding sides are proportional. What are the corresponding sides? Take small triangle, divide by big triangle. Small triangle AD, base எடுத்துக்கோங்க, small triangle AD. Divide by big triangle AB. AB னா இந்த ரெண்டையும் add பண்ணி எழுதிக்கோங்க. So it is AB is equal to is equal to, now take this side. இந்த பக்கம் தான் values கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So இதை எடுத்துக்கோ. முதல்ல சின்ன triangle அப்புறம் தான் பெரிய triangle எடுத்தேன். So அதே மாதிரி இந்த சைடு எடுக்கும்போது சின்ன triangle AE, பெரிய triangle AC. So while writing you take the ratio like this. First small triangle எடுத்தா small triangle தான் numeratorல எழுதணும். Next சைடும் small triangle தான் numerator எழுதணும். ஒருவேளை big triangle numerator இருந்தா இங்கேயும் big triangle ஓட that corresponding sides you have to write. Now substitute the values. AD is equal to 3. Divide by AB. Add these two and write. So 3 plus 5. So which is equal to AE. AE is 2. Divide by 2 plus 7 plus 2. 2 plus 7 by 2. Now take LCM for this and solve. Here it is 3 by 8 is equal to 2 by, take LCM, 2 is LCM, divide by 1, cross multiply 4 plus 7. So 3 by 8 is equal to 2 by 4 plus 7 is 11, divide by 2. Take reciprocal. 3 by 8 is equal to 2 into 2 by 11. So it is 4 by 11. 3 by 8 is equal to 4 by 11. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So therefore these triangles are not similar. So triangle ABC is not similar. Not similar to triangle AED. So they are not similar. Now let us see second question. In the same first question, second subdivision is there. Now second subdivision, the diagram it is given is, let me draw the diagram. So first ABC is a triangle, and the next triangle is PQC, and here it is X, and this angle is 70 degree, and this angle is 110 degree. Now we want to find this angle. Then only we can compare these two angles B and Q. And AB is 5, and BQ is 3, QC is 3. And these are the measurements it is given. Now let us check whether these two triangles are similar. Solution. What are the triangles you find? Triangle ABC and triangle PQC. ரெண்டு ட்ரையாங்கிள் இருக்குல்லப்பா, ஒன்னு பெரிய ட்ரையாங்கிள் ABC, the other one is PQC. Okay, now see angle Q is equal to, how can you find angle Q? It is 180 minus 110 because it is straight angle. ஃபுல்லா சேர்த்து 180 வரும், அதுல 110 subtract பண்ணா 70 degree. So I can say angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 70 degree. And in the ரெண்டு ட்ரையாங்கிளுக்கும் this angle C is common. ABC லையும் C இருக்கு, PQC லையும் C இருக்கு. So angle C is common. இன்னொரு ஆங்கிளும் சொல்லலாம். See this angle A and angle P. Third angle is also equal since they are corresponding angles. So angle A is equal to angle P. So மூணு ஆங்கிளும் ஈக்குவலாவே வருது. So I can take A similarity or you can write AA similarity. So AA similarity வந்தா triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQC. So similar னு find out பண்ணிட்டோம். Similar இருந்தா இந்த x value find out பண்ணணும். Then write down the corresponding ratios. Corresponding ratios, small triangle, big triangle. So take this base first. Small triangle is QC, divide by big triangle is BC is equal to, and take this small triangle is PQ, this side. Big triangle is AB. So it is enough. This side no measurement is given. So these two ratios are enough to find x. So what is QC? 3. BC, add 3 plus 3 is equal to PQ is x, divide by AB is 5. So it is 3 by 6 is equal to x by 5. Now bring this 5 this side. So 3 into 5 divide by 6 is equal to x. So 1 time, 2 time. So இதை அப்படியே மாற்றி எழுதுங்க. x is equal to 5 by 2. 5 2 ஆல divide பண்ணா it is 2.5. divide பண்ணி எழுதிங்க 2.5 centimeter. Here no measurement is given, so x is equal to 2.5. Are they similar? Yes, they are similar. These two are the answers. Now let us go to the next sum. Now question number 8. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF such that the area of triangle ABC is 9 cm square and the area of triangle DEF is 16 cm square and BC equal to 2.1 cm, find the length of EF. இப்போ நம்ம எக்ஸாம்பிள் 4.8 பார்த்தோம். ஸோ அதே மாடல்ல இந்த சம் செய்ய போறோம். ஸோ லெட் மீ டேக் டூ ட்ரையாங்கிள்ஸ். ஒன் இஸ் ABC and the other triangle is DEF. So area of triangle ABC is 9 cm square. Area of triangle DEF is 16 cm square. And the side BC is 2.1 centimeter. And what is EF? So this is solution. The diagram is not given, so I have drawn the diagram. So by area property, we can write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to, ஏதாவது ஒரு சைடை ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணி எடுத்துக்கலாம். இப்போ இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிள்ல BC ஸ்கொயர், இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிள்ல EF ஸ்கொயர். Now substitute all the values. 9. Area of triangle DEF is 16 is equal to BC is 2.1 square by EF square. Now cross multiply. So EF square இங்க வந்துரும். So இந்த 2.1 the whole square இங்க இருக்கும். Then இதை இந்த சைடு கொண்டு வந்தோம்னா taking reciprocal 16 மேல வந்துரும், 9 கீழ வந்துரும். Now find EF. EF is equal to square root of 2.1 the whole square into இந்த 16 4 square னு எழுதிக்கோங்க. 4 4s are 16 and இந்த 9 3 square னு எழுதிக்கோங்க. Now cancel all the square root and the squares. So EF is equal to 2.1 square square root cut பண்ணா 2.1 into 4 square square root cancel ஆனா 4. 3 square square root cancel ஆனா 3. So now it is very simple. 3 one time 3 table 7 3s are 21 point இருக்கிறதுனால 0.7. So EF is equal to 3.7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. 1 digit தாண்டி point வச்சுக்கணும். So 2.8 centimeter is the answer. Very simple. So memorize this ratio. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF. Ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to the square of any one side of the ratio of the similar triangles. So it's very easy. Now let's go to next sum. Question number 6. In the adjacent figure, triangle ACB is similar to triangle APQ. If BC equal to 8 cm, PQ 4 cm, BA 6.5 cm and AB 2.8 cm, find CA and AQ. Example 4.6 செய்கிற மாதிரி செய்கிறோம்ப்பா. Now solution. Diagram is given there itself. So I draw the diagram at first. Say it is A, B, C and A, P, Q. And what is given? Triangle ACB is similar to triangle APQ. It is the given statement. Similar na avangale kuduttaanga. So we can write the corresponding sides proportional. So we can write the corresponding sides ratio. So here it is given BC 8 cm, PQ 4 cm, BA 6.5 cm and AP 2.8 cm. Find CA and AQ. So their corresponding sides are proportional. Now what are the corresponding sides? Here two triangles ABC and APQ. Big triangle, small triangle. First take this line. What are the ratio? Big triangle AC divide by small triangle AP is equal to. Then take this line and big triangle is AB. Small triangle AQ is equal to. And take these two sides. Big triangle BC by small triangle PQ. And now write down the values it is given. AC is not given. So we want to find the CA. That is CA. Maati eludikalam. Divide by AP. What is AP? 2.8 is equal to AB. Where is AB? Here it is. AB is 6.5. Divide by AQ. This is we want to find. Is equal to BC. What is BC? 8. Divide by PQ is 4. So first compare these two. CA by 2.8 is equal to 8 by 4. So 8 by 4. We can take this as 1 time, 2 time. So CA is equal to cross multiply 2.8 into 2. So CA is equal to, it is 2 times. So multiply this 16. 5.6 centimeter. 5.6 centimeter is the answer. Then compare second and third. So it is 6.5 by AQ is equal to 8 by 4. So cancel this, it is 2. Now cross multiply. AQ மேல கொண்டு போயிட்டு 2 கீழ கொண்டு வாங்க. So 6.5 divided by 2 is equal to AQ. So divide this. So it is AQ is equal to 3 times 2, 5. So 3.25 centimeter. தெரியலன்னா இதை இப்படி சும்மா சாதாரணமா டிவிஷன் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. So 3 2s are 6, 0 point. So bring this number down, it is 5. 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 0. 5 times 10, 0. இப்படி தெரிஞ்சா செய்யலாம், இல்லைன்னா இப்படி செஞ்சுட்டு எழுதலாம். So AQ is equal to 3.25 centimeter. Then now question number 2. A girl looks the reflection of the top of the lamp post on the mirror, which is 87.6 meter away from the foot of the lamp post. The girl whose height is 1.5 meter is standing 0.4 meter away from the mirror. Assuming the mirror is placed on the ground facing the sky and the girl, mirror and the lamp post are in a same line, find the height of the lamp post. என்னென்னப்பா கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒரு lamp post எடுத்துக்கோம். Say it is a lamp post. And a girl, ஒரு girl இங்க நிக்கிறாங்க. Say this is a girl. And a mirror, இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு mirror இருக்கு. So lamp post, girl, mirror are on the same ground. மூணுமே ஒரே groundல இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So let me join this ground level. Okay, what is given? The height of the a girl looks the reflection of the top of the lamp post on the mirror, which is 87.6 meter away from the lamp post. So இங்க mirror, இந்த lamp-ஓட reflection இங்க விழுகுது இந்த mirror-ல. So இங்க இருந்து இது வரைக்கும் உள்ள distance it is given. So distance is 87.6 meter. So இந்த distance வந்து 87.6 meter. So lamp post-க்கும் mirror-க்கும் உள்ள distance. And the girl whose height is 1.5 meter. The girl-ஓட height வந்து 1.5 meter. இவங்க எங்க நிக்கிறாங்க? lamp post-ல இருந்து 0.4 meter தள்ளி நிக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Sorry, standing 0.4 meter away from the mirror. Mirror-ல இருந்து 0.4 meter. Mirror-ல இருந்து 0.4 meter தள்ளி நிக்கிறாங்க. So now what is to be find out? Find the height of the lamp post. இந்த lamp post-ஓட இந்த height find out பண்ணணும். Now let me join these three and it forms two similar triangles. Now let me write AB is the lamp post, CD is a girl, E is the mirror. Now therefore I can take here two triangles ABE and CDE are the two triangles. I can take that these two triangles are similar. So I can take it as similar triangle. So since let triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. These two triangles are similar. Then I can write the corresponding sides proportional. So what are the corresponding sides? Take this CD by AB, small triangle CD by AB. Take CD by AB. And the next one is small triangle, big triangle. Small triangle, this side is DE. Divide by big triangle is DE. So this is enough to find H, height of the lamp post. Now what is CD is 1.5, divide by AB is H is equal to DE is 0.4, divided by BE is 87.6. So now bring this H this side, cross multiply. அப்ப என்னப்பா ஆகும், இது ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் ஆகி இங்க வந்துரும். ஹியர் 1.5 இங்க இருக்கு, இன்ட்டு இது இந்த சைடு வரும்போது 87.6 by 0.4 is equal to height h. இப்ப இதெல்லாம் இந்த சைடு கொண்டு வந்துருங்க, அதை அந்த சைடு கொண்டு போயிருங்க. h is equal to, so 1.5 அப்படிங்கறத 15 by 10 ன்னு எழுதிக்கலாம், இன்ட்டு இத 876 divide by 10 எழுதிக்கலாம், இத 4 by 10 ரெசி. now h is equal to 1.5ங்கிறத 15 by 10 ன்னு எழுதிக்கலாம், 87.6 அப்படிங்கறத 876 divide by 10 எழுதிக்கலாம், 0.4 4 by 10 எழுதலாம். ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் எடுத்தோம்னா 4 by 10 டிவிஷன்ல இருக்கு, ஸோ டினாமினேட்டர்ல இருக்கு, அது மேல கொண்டு வரும்போது 10 by 4 ஆயிடும். ஸோ இட் இஸ் now very easy to calculate. Now cancel this 10 and the 10. Now 4 table, it is 1 time, it is 2 4s are 8, 7 1 4 is 4, balance 3 36, 9 4s are 36. So h is equal to 15 into 219 divided by 10 is remaining. So now 219 into 15. So 5 9s are 45, balance 4, 1 5 is 5, 5 plus 4 9, 5 2s are 10. Now 1 9 is 9, 1 2, add 18, balance 1 2, so it is 3, 328 5, 3285 divide by 10. இப்போ 10 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது ரைட் சைட்ல இருந்து 1 டிஜிட் தாண்டி பாயிண்ட் வச்சுக்கலாம். ஸோ இட் இஸ் வெரி சிம்பிள், 328.5 centimeter. Sorry, it's meter, it is given, meter is the answer. So height of the lamp post is equal to 328.5 meter is the answer. Thank you.